Well, I have just met up with my old enemy again. He is a traitor. Is the there is no more clan. He is the reason why there is no more clan. Oh my god, no. More people are coming to my den. Who is this person? Guys, I'm Shadow, not Lucky. Shadow. Little. Wait. Shadow Lily. He caused there to be no more Sedar clan. No. He did my warrior. I am not letting a Okay. I'm not in that anymore. See ya, guys. Oh my god. I'm so sad. Oh, I met my old enemy, and what do you expect me to behave like? Oh. I just met my enemy again. Just met my enemy. No, you did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong. My enemy is trying to buddy me again. I will not sort this out. He is a traitor, and he did my warriors. I am not leading Sedar clan anymore. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, animal lover. Oh my god, I'm so upset. I'm so upset. Oh, why? No, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I'm gonna lock my den. I'm gonna lock my den because I don't want that person to come here. And I'm sorry, but like, ugh, who that person? Major, I don't even know. And me is not here. Here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. And I am glad he's not here. And I'm glad you're not here, traitor. Traitor! It's a traitor! When I was running my clan, I didn't want to be leader anymore, so I fell off a cliff and then became a kitten. Then became a kitten. Because I didn't want to be leader anymore. And then he did my warriors and wanted to lead my clan. And I destroyed my clan. And I will never put up with that traitor again. There's no way I will ever. He did my warriors. No, betrayed her. If I still had my clan, he would be exiled. He'd be exiled and called Tiger Claw, because he is like him. And my old deputy was they're just like all gathering around me listening to my story. Well, I could lock my den. Like no one will get kicked out except her. I need to buddy her. Buddy. I think to get stressed, I do get stressed easy. Okay. I am not stressed. I am recording this and I am laughing. I am laughing at the traitor. I get stressed easy. Oh. Well, once I want me to resolve it. No way. Oh, JK. What's going on there? I don't want any funny business here. Okay, I'm just like wondering. No funny business in my den. It's not my personal type of style. Cause it just ain't, don't you hear me? It just ain't, cause you don't wanna hear me. Well, yeah. That's weird. Why's she asking him? That's so weird. Why did you go away? IDK. This is weird. Okay, well, BRB got to close the video. Well, you guys understand how stressful it is and funny for me to meet my old enemy again and my old deputy try and resolve Setter Clan. Well, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Stay strategic.